In this video, we are going to demonstrate how easy it is to handle pick lists in Veeva Vault by using dqMan Veeva Vault Edition 23.2. When initiating a new vault, it is a common task to customize the default configuration, which includes, for example, types, fields, objects, and pick lists. While there is a pre-configured set of pick lists, you'll often need to create new ones that are tailored to your legacy data. dqMan provides a quick and easy way to handle existing pick lists, create new ones, and import values from external sources. Under the dedicated section, you have the ability to view the existing pick lists. On the left-hand side, standard and custom pick lists are marked with different icons. By selecting an existing pick list, you can view and edit the respective values. It is also possible to change the label and navigate to the types or subtypes where the pick list is used. Now let's define a new pick list for handling FME products. As you can see, the name is generated automatically in accordance with Veeva naming conventions. There are several ways to add values to the pick list. You can click the Add button to create them manually. You can import them from a file, or you can simply paste the values from the clipboard. Since I have my values in a spreadsheet, I will copy and paste them in dqMan. In the pop-up, you have the option to remove spaces and other special characters. As I only provided the labels, the name and the status are generated automatically. To then publish the pick list to Vault, you simply have to click on the Save button.